Hello, today we will guide you through how to use dual window mode in Zoom meetings. To get started, open the Zoom app on your computer. Make sure you're using the desktop app, since this setting is managed from within the Zoom application itself. Once Zoom is open, give it a moment to fully load so all menu options are visible and easy to access. Next, look to the top right corner of the Zoom window and click on your profile account icon. This is where Zoom keeps your personal app, preferences, and account-related options. If you've never explored this menu before, this is also where you can usually find quick access to settings, updates, and other controls. From the Profile menu, click on Settings. This will open the main settings panel, where Zoom organizes its features into categories. If you use Zoom often, it's helpful to know that many meeting display and experience options can be adjusted here to better match how you work. Once you're in Settings, click on Meeting and Webinars. This section contains a variety of options that affect how your meetings and webinar sessions behave. Since dual window mode changes the way Zoom displays content during a session, this is the right place to configure it. Now, within the Meeting and Webinar section, find the area labeled In Meeting and In Webinar. You may need to scroll a little depending on your screen size and Zoom version. Take your time here and read through the available options carefully so you don't miss the correct setting. Zoom includes several display-related controls in this area, so locating the right one is important. When you find the dual window option, click the toggle button to turn it on. Once enabled, Zoom will allow your meeting controls and viewing windows to separate into two windows during a meeting. This can make it easier to manage participants, shared content, or your overall meeting layout, especially if you like a more flexible workspace. After turning it on, you can close the settings window. The change should be saved automatically, so there's usually no need to confirm anything else. The next time you join or host a meeting, dual window mode should be available based on your setup. That's all there is to it. By adjusting this one setting, you can create a more organized and efficient Zoom meeting experience. If you don't see the option right away, double check that you're in the correct settings category and that your Zoom app is up to date.